plane just hit a drone. Commercial pilot says plane hit by drone over US airport. So it safely landed in San Diego, but this was all by the numbers, guys. It was United Airlines, and it struck a drone over San Diego. The Boeing 737 operating as flight 1980 from San Francisco hit the object at about 3,000 feet during its approach, per an air traffic control recording. Now remember, Satan is the prince of the air. We are seeing so many plane crashes or issues with planes in 2026. Now, this flight was Flight 1980. The Georgia Guidestones were erected in 1980, and they came down on George Bush's birthday, who was the US president during 9/11. They came down 42 years after they were erected, and they came down in 2022, and 20 plus 22 equals 42, and they came down on 7/6 on George Bush Jr.'s 76th birthday, and 7 times 6 equals 42, and the beast of Revelation reigns for 42 months. Now, 19 plus 80 equals 99, and 9 times 11 equals 99, like 9/11. And this incident took place exactly 199 weeks after the Georgia Guidestones collapsed. Now, the GOAT Tom Brady made his NFL debut the year of 9/11, and he was drafted 199th pick. And then the Patriots won the Super Bowl right after the Patriots Act was signed. Queen Elizabeth II's funeral was 1909, like 199. And King Charles III is currently in USA, and obviously replaced the Queen on the throne, and he was born a span of exactly 911 weeks before the Church of Satan was founded. Revelation 19:9. And he saith unto me, Write, blessed are they which are called unto the marriage supper of the Lamb. And he saith unto me, These are the true sayings of God. Wow, guys. Wow. Take care. Much love. God bless you all. God wins.